Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the Anchorage, where everything is awesome, and this is going to be awesomer, as if this could be could be a special video, might not be. You be the judge. Give it a like if you like it. Thumbs up, flame up, or whatever it is on Odyssey or Rumble, whatever. Quick note, I recently surpassed 200 subscribers on YouTube. Yay me. I don't monetize, so yeah, it took 3 years, but I've got over 200. How many people actually, of those 200, actually watch anything of me? Oh, probably less than 10. Wouldn't be surprised. Whatever. They're there. I do my content. I put it out. Whatever. This is just a hobby. But anyhow, associate on Matrix. He did, came across a site called Suno.com. They do AI music, and they've got 3 tiers. They got a free tier. I'm on that. You get 50 credits per day. It does not accrue. And there you go. And you can use the system worth 50 credits. A track render of sorts. It goes up to about 2 minutes, give or take, as far as seconds go. And each render, it can use up to 10 of those credits. And in the paid tiers above that, you get far more credits, so you can do a lot more renders and such. I can't, I'm not gonna give them money for that, because it's not necessary. Excuse me. However, I needed to come up with, I wanted to come up with something really, I don't want to say epic, but really big. So back in my high school days, I had made a movie my sophomore year based on, I did a parody of an old Bill Cosby sketch. And then a year goes by, so we jump up to my senior year, and then another friend at the time said, "Can you film something?" Sure. Okay, I'll film it. I'll edit it. There you go. So we did that. And then another friend said, he was from a mass media class. I didn't take mass media, so this was for him. I had no benefit as a result other than spending time with my friends. And so there we go. And he said, "Hey, can we take that movie from a couple years ago and the movie that Mark just did and mush them together?" And I said, "Okay, yeah. What do you have to do with it?" "Well, I have to write it and so on and so forth, and there has to be a couple of certain things in it." Okay, so we did that. I asked him, "Can I write one scene?" "Sure, okay." All right. Looking at the movie, or remembering the movie, I think it may have ended up being the best one, because there were many cuts in it, many scenes. It's a 1, 2, 3. Had 3 camera positions, if I'm remembering right. Correct me if I'm wrong. So with Suno, I went and I'm like, all right, so let's create a track that basically calls back to that and goes over the entire chronology up to that point. And so that's what I did. And it's called The Quest Chronicles. And what I wanted to make sure of was that it was in the format of, or the styling of, progressive rock orchestral. Wanted it to be big. I could have thrown epic in there, but then it would just be like over the top. So leave out the epic part, and you got progressive rock orchestral. There we go. And it came out beautimous. One downfall to Suno, and this is not a critique, but something you could improve on. That is the resulting lyrics that print out aren't necessarily 100% accurate to what was actually produced within the track from the system. It was only in like 1 or 2 spots, so I'm not going to complain. It sounds fantastic, and the composition is what matters. What text gets displayed is what gets displayed. I would have liked the ability to be able to go back and edit the resulting text so that it lines up with the composition exactly. But that ability is not in the system. So that's something that they could actually move up on or improve on. So I might reach out, and whether it be email or if they're out on X or whoever through social media, I might reach out that way. I haven't researched it, so I may go back and doing that. But call out to those folks, first names, just as a matter of credit and recognition, in the order of appearance or an attempt. Right off the bat, me. I'm the first person you see. Sorry. Myself, Christopher, and then it jumps forward to Mark and Jason and Michael and see, another Christopher and Susan and Sherry and another Michael and Adam. Sorry, we called him Bob. So, hey Bob. There we go. He was just kind of there and just said, "Hey, why don't we shoot you with a phase thing and weapon, and you just kind of go oh and fall down." So that was, and one additional part where he kind of had a line, but as a different character. May have been the same guy. I don't know. I can't remember. But yeah, this is for all you guys. And just this is for all you guys. And it was great. It was fun. And this is not a call out to be like, hey, we should get all back together again. Or, hey, why don't we get together? Why don't we say hi? Stuff like that. This isn't a call out to get back together or anything like that. This is to be like, hey, I found this. This is what I wanted to do it on, to try it out and give it a whirl, see how I like it. It came out fabulous. I love it. And I hope you guys do too. And there we go. So, without further ado, I am going to give you a fantastic piece of art. So, have a good watch, a good listen, enjoy it. We'll, whatever in the future. And, more videos. Fantastic. I hope you enjoy it. And Skál, drink to victory. And yeah, I hope it's good. I like it. I hope you do too.
In the days of old, a tale of might, a man with a mission filled with divine light. An ark he was to build, so the story goes, to save all creatures from the mighty blows. past, present, a collision in time. A man from the past and a man from his prime, working on a machine, bending the laws when the girl got taken lost among the flaws. Daring rescue, heroes on the run, chasing the shadows under the setting sun. Fighting against darkness, they won't let go. Defying the enemy, they put on a show. Fighting against darkness, they won't let go, defying the enemy. Slackness, they gotta save the day, but something's not right, the enemy's gone away. Into the past we go, searching for the clue. The trunk is empty, they're taking a move. Unknown is left behind, a message to our ears. They've been captured, held hostage, fueling all our fears. Fueling all our fears. Fueling all our fears. We're on a rescue mission, time ticking away. Gotta find our heroes, no time for delay. The enemy's slide, they've got tricks up their sleeve, but we won't